Welcome back to another Bryanston School IB 2025 Sheen Onshape tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to add a lens holder. So let's open up our document and get modelling straight away. So we're again going to model this part by using some of the geometry that's already there. So I'm just going to hover the mouse till it's over the front face of Sheen's head. I'm going to right click, left click on new sketch, then press the N for normal 2 key so that we are picking up on the front. And I'm going to use the existing parts to help me draw this. So I'm going to click on the Use Project Convert tool. I'm going to click on the outside of Sheen's head and then on the inner part of the front as well, where the lip for the bulb is. So I've got 2 concentric circles. I'm going to extrude those 10 millimeters. Type in 10. Just turn that to the right. I don't want this to be added to the existing part. I want this to be a new part. So I'm going to left click on new, left click on the tick, and you can see it's done it in a different color. So I can tell it's a new part. And also part 3 has appeared here. So let's right click there, left click on rename, and we'll call this lens holder, although in fact it's going to hold the LED bulb, but the bulb's got the lens built into it, and hit return. So we've got a new part, and actually this part's almost done. All we're going to do to make it look a bit nicer is apply fillet. So I'm going to use the fillet tool, change it to 9 millimeters, left click on that edge, and it's put a nice round smooth on there. Left click to say we're happy, and there's our new part added on. Now if you were taking screenshots and things of this, you might want to not have the work plane showing up so it looks nice in your portfolio. If we go up to the design tree here, you can see there's like a little eyeball, and if I left click on the little eyeball next to those different things, I can make those work planes disappear, and I could also do the same for the origin. So if I was doing a screenshot, I could do that and make it nice and clean. That's it. Nice short tutorial this time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we start to use some other features. Goodbye.